Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us who was your solar advisor and how did he or she help you throughout your experience so far?
Brian, and he was very helpful in pointing me to how solar could help us.
Fantastic. And if you had any questions along the way or needed further explanation, as this might have been new for you, was he very helpful in that way?
Yes. I had contacted another solar company, and they wouldn't even consider us because they said our bill was too low.
Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. And it seems like Brian did a good job onboarding you here. And what was the initial reason why you decided to go solar?
I'm wanting to get off the power grid and see if I could save some money.
Fantastic. And was this something that you were looking to do for a while now, or is it something that is new for you?
Relatively new. I had checked it out maybe a couple of years ago.
Great. And now, question for you. Why did you choose to go with Green Home Systems versus the other solar companies?
Well, they wouldn't even talk to me. And Green Home Systems said, that's not a problem. Your bill's small, but we can design a system that will work for you.
Very good. Well, I'm excited to see how everything comes along for you, and I'm excited about your solar journey.
Yep, we are too.
Amazing.